Hello and welcome to section 3, Tricks on Visualizing Breakdowns of a Whole. We'll start this section off by looking at effective charts for the part-to-whole analyses with tree maps and gradient tree maps. But first, let's revisit a common chart that is universally used in this sort of display but may not necessarily be the most suitable. And by that, of course, I meant it's the common pie chart. Notice that in this view, it is extremely difficult to distinguish which is the bigger slice, whether it's furniture or technology, unless you show the labels. Let's go ahead and slice the pie by subcategory, which has more values than category. Way too many colors, and unless you fix the sort order and sort by field, it's virtually impossible for the visual system to rank these subcategories in order. So I'm just going to go ahead and then sort by field, descending sum sales. So when you're trying to display breakdowns of a whole when lots of values are at stake, it's much better to use something like a tree map. I'm just going to go ahead and create a tree map, slicing up subcategory by sales first and then display the labels. So subcategory onto detail and then sales into size. So without needing to manipulate the sort order, by default in a tree map, the largest slice is situated on the top left-hand corner, getting smaller and smaller as you go down diagonally. Now let's add another level of detail by dragging category into color. This is looking much better than our messy pie chart. I'm going to go an extra step and create a gradient effect, meaning that within each category, the shade of the color will fade as the slices get smaller. And I'll do that by switching subcategory on detail into color and then fix the sort so that it's descending sum of sales. And there you have it, a gradient tree map sliced by subcategory and colored by category. Now I can immediately tell that technology overall is my biggest slice because it's situated on the top left-hand side. Well, let's just total this up. In total, it has produced a sum of sales of 1.35 million. My second category, totaling 1.34 million, is furniture, and followed by office supplies, 880,000. Just get rid of the labels.